recognized.
Madam Speaker, I rise today in strong support of H.R. 3978, which is a package of 5 strongly bipartisan bills, yet again from the Financial Services Committee of the House. As standalone bills, all were favorably reported, again with strong bipartisan support of at least 3/4 of the committee. The title provision of this package is the TRID Improvement Act. By Congressman French Hill, this bill amends CFPB's complex TILA-RESPA integrated disclosure known as TRID rule in order to simplify the closing documents consumers get when they close a mortgage. It does this by allowing for the calculation of the discounted rate that title insurance companies provide to consumers when they purchase a lender's and owner's title insurance policy simultaneously. This makes it more accurate, Madam Speaker. Title II is the Protection of Source Code Act, introduced by Representatives Sean Duffy and David Scott, a Republican and a Democrat. This provision ensures that the Securities and Exchange Commission cannot require financial services firms to disclose algorithmic trading source code without first obtaining a subpoena. Source code is among a firm's most sensitive information, and this bipartisan provision balances privacy and due process concerns while preserving the SEC's ability to obtain such information when necessary. The third title is the Fostering Innovation Act, which was introduced by Representatives Sinema and Hollingsworth to provide relief to small and emerging businesses by extending the popular on-ramp exemption of the Jobs Act for emerging growth companies in a more tailored manner. In short, it provides emerging growth companies more time to reach a size when they reasonably can be expected to financially sustain the legal, accounting, and compliance costs associated with the full Sarbanes-Oxley Section 404B compliance. Fourth, Madam Speaker, is the National Securities Exchange Regulatory Parity Act, which was introduced by Mr. Royce and which will ensure further clarity and competition among national security exchanges by modernizing the blue sky exemption in the Securities Act. Modernizing this provision will ensure all national security exchanges operate on a level regulatory playing field and help protect retail investors from arbitrary acts by state regulators that may bar investors in one state from buying stock freely available to investors in every other state. The final title of this bill is a provision introduced by Congressman Stivers to allow mortgage loan originators who work as loan officers in banks and credit unions to transition to a new job at a non-mortgage company without losing the ability to originate loans. Without this bill, the transition process can take weeks or months, depending on the state. Each of these measures, Madam Speaker, will cut through layers of red tape and help level the playing field by making regulations smarter, fairer, clearer, and more efficient, thus ensuring that there are more competitively priced credit opportunities and more credit opportunities for consumers, and that investors have greater investment opportunities in competitive markets. They will provide common sense regulatory relief. They are practical, they are bipartisan, and they are needed. I encourage all my colleagues to support the measure, and I reserve the balance of my time.